The training status missing error on your Garmin Forerunner 955 means your watch isn't syncing workout data with the Garmin Connect app. This prevents the watch from providing key insights like peaking, productive, or overreaching to help manage your training and recovery. Without synced data, the AI powered training status algorithm can't accurately assess your fitness levels. Synchronization relies on Bluetooth or Wi Fi to transfer data from your watch to the Garmin Connect app. The watch stores your activity data locally until it's synced. Problems arise from connectivity issues, app crashes, or corrupted cache files. Proper syncing is crucial for the AI to access historical data and give you personalized advice based on machine learning. As of 2026, Garmin has been improving their cloud syncing to rely less on local app stability. Here are 3 immediate solutions to resolve the training status missing error on your Garmin Forerunner 9955. First, force quit and reinstall the Garmin Connect app to clear any corrupted data that might be preventing synchronization. Second, perform a soft reset on your watch by holding down the buttons for 15 seconds to reboot the device and clear temporary glitches. Third, ensure your watch is within Bluetooth range of your phone and manually trigger a synchronization through the Garmin Connect app to restore data connectivity. These quick fixes often resolve simple connectivity issues and restore your training status functionality. Keep your Forerunner 955 on the latest firmware version. Garmin regularly releases updates that include sync improvements and bug fixes. Firmware Update V12.45, released in late 2025, significantly improved Bluetooth stability and data recovery, resolving the issue for a large percentage of users. Check for updates regularly within the Garmin Connect app. If Bluetooth sync consistently fails, try switching to Wi-Fi sync. Bluetooth interference or compatibility issues with your phone can cause problems. Ensure your watch and app are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, then trigger sync manually in the Garmin Connect app. A runner in a popular Reddit thread found that switching to Wi-Fi resolved persistent sync failures after pairing with a new phone. This worked by bypassing Bluetooth limitations and using the more stable Wi-Fi connection. As a last resort, consider a factory reset. This will erase all data on your watch, so ensure you have a recent backup to Garmin's cloud service. Before resetting, back up your data to the cloud to prevent permanent loss. Perform the factory reset by holding the appropriate buttons on your watch for the specified time. After the reset, restore your data from the cloud backup. This can resolve deep-seated software issues that prevent syncing. Garmin tutorials also recommend regular backups to avoid data loss. Garmin aims for 99% sync uptime by 2027 using AI optimization, according to their product manager. Wearable tech may adopt blockchain-like data verification to prevent sync losses. Improved cloud-based syncing reduces reliance on local app stability. Garmin is integrating more AI-driven diagnostics for personalized recovery advice. These advances will hopefully reduce sync errors going forward. Unresolved sync problems can lead to inaccurate training metrics. Fitness experts suggest that this can potentially increase injury risk by 15 to 20% in data-dependent regimens. Prioritize fixing the training status missing error to ensure your training is informed by accurate data, helping you avoid overtraining and optimize your performance. Regularly check your sync status to be sure.